first time in history that Zach's, well, not in history, but in several years. You used to get up at like 4 in the morning.
Drive an hour and a half to run.
For a time that starts with 6. So here we are.
No reason to
He hates me. I mean, it's
name a reason.
It's almost 7 now. Well, it's good to like get going before
what? Why everybody's sleeping at 3 o'clock in the morning when we're still working?
Why on?
What's wrong with you?
No, hang on, I'm vlogging.
Well, they can vlog in the dark. They don't want to see your face. They need to hear your voice.
Oh, that's sad. They probably don't. You're right. I am, you know, just way too. I don't have my eyebrows on yet, so don't judge. But I'm just way too chipper for it to not even be 7 in the morning, and we slept for like 3 hours. But I just want to get a cute matching couple picture in our backpacks at the airport. To be honest with you, is that doable?
No.
Can we just note they made it to the airport?
2.5 hours before flight leaves.
And pulling a trailer, just 20-footer, just a little bumper pull.
Nope.
Nope.
No.
Nope.
I'm not kidding you.
No big deal. Bye, JC. You ready? He's so mad. Put on your mask, sir. What kind of food you gonna get, Zach?
Is that even a question?
Dude, this place is the best. Pizza Hut's popping though. It's like 9 a.m. and their bar is lit.
Let's leave at 6 o'clock in the morning. We have to fly at 10.
So, I didn't tell anyone where we're going yet.
The hell is don't change your ways.
So we are headed to California for literally like less than 24 hours. So, we are headed there to go visit the Renegade warehouse and compound, do some business things, and we made it. And the Uber's here. What's up?
Hi.
Oh, this
Check out these 2 tourists.
Nice. Apparently G-Wagons are the thing here, I guess. Okay, let's see.
Who's got the matching?
That was loud.
Yeah, you know what? That's my son's car.
That's your son's car?
I ordered this one like in June of 2000.
Matching exactly.
Renegade and Combat, and those down there represent some of the acquisitions over the years, like Reliable Buff.
Big Rig Polishing?
Big Rig Polishing actually was the first name of Renegade products.
Really?
Yeah,
I'm like, what is that?
Yeah, we you know, back in the day, the history of Maverick abrasives and how we got to where we are today. Right?
Perfect.
I used to be a banker. That was my first career. Sandpaper, but there's actually very little paper. Most of it is, as you see here, most of it is either like cloths or polyester, things of that. So I'm going to take a vlog. Please pay attention, Miss Blair, because by the time we're done, you have to make your own sanding ball.
Oh gosh. So, you guys are going to get a little how it's made kind of episode today. So here we are at the Maverick Abrasives, which is also the Renegade Products warehouse, and we're going to see a little bit about how everything's made in the USA, by the way. So
another building down the road, which will end up moving all the.
So this is what all of the polishing wheels are made out of.
Yeah,
I recognize this stuff really fast. It's awesome.
Basically, it's a polyester or cotton polyester backing that's been already coated with abrasive grain. Where everything starts. Basically, it's a dimensioning process. Hey, Emilio, this is Lacey Blair. You know Lacey Blair?
No. Hi, nice to meet you.
Amelia actually I was employee number 1. Amelia was employee number 2.
Really, that's awesome.
That's how long
Oh,
we've been here,
geez.
yeah.
That's awesome.
And he's like,
Nice to meet you.
Basically loading the roll on one end. And what he'll do is he will line up his knives. And you'll see it maybe after on the way back out, because different machines to do that. He'll line up the knives and he'll basically dimension it to a certain width. Because everything, you know, in an abrasive world, everything is width by circumference. Everything's been dimensioned. It comes off like a wide roll, gets cut down to a small roll, and then from there, down one of these lines. So this line basically would determine how actually long the belt is. You know, fortunately we're in Orange County, which is...
Oh, look at that Dr. Pepper bench. Oh my gosh. That's so cute. All right, so we are back for day 2. Heading back to the, what are you looking at, Ty?
All the tires on the tire.
Back at day 2.
Park.
Yeah, well,
They're literally
F-150
7
drivers.
feet from the parking spot.
Anyways, we're headed back to the plant to see some stuff we maybe didn't see yesterday. And yeah, make the most out of our 24 hours in California. And we're back. Did you miss us, JC?
One bit.
Are you in a better mood than you were?
No, I drove up here. Y'all.
Well, what is up, guys? So, I have me a little friend today, Tater. Hey, Tater. He was just up here. Tater, come here. Hey, Tater. He's looking out the window. Tater bug. So, anyways, I came by, well, I was running errands, and I realized that I don't have my wallet with me. So we live a little bit out of town, so I go all the way to town and realized that I left my wallet at the house. So I was hoping that I had a debit card or something at the shop, but I don't. But anyways, this little guy, big guy, came running out of the shop, jowls a-flapping, and refused not to let me take him. So he's going with me. Hi, buddy. Oh my god, he's so perfect. I can't stand it. And I'm not even mad. He can hang out with me all day if he wants. So, running some errands, going to the post office and whatnot. And then I have to go look not so freaking homeless because one of my friends, Stephanie, you guys might have seen her in my vlogs. She's SVT Barbie on Instagram. And she is an American Force model. And she's coming to model with my truck. And I'm gonna get in some pictures also. I'm going to model, which I don't do a lot of anymore. So, it's gonna be a good time. I'm super excited to see her. And I am going to be trading my truck in, surprise. So, this will be one of the last sets of pictures that I get with my truck looking like this. So, and we're back with a whole transformation. Tater looks the same, but I am officially 2 different people. So, headed to the shop now. Stephanie should be there soon. Gonna finish filming a truck of the week video, and then hopefully she'll be there. And we'll grab some pictures. It is Friday, and in the midst of running around and getting ready for the shoot today, I've missed a ton of freaking phone calls. So it's probably gonna be a fun night, probably gonna be a fun Saturday. Catching up on all of that. But, not gonna get distracted. Gonna do this shoot. And then I think me and Stephanie might go to dinner. All right, guys, Stephanie's here. What's up, everyone? We just finished up our shoot and totally forgot to take videos of that process, but I'll show you guys the pictures now.